What if I told you that earning just a little too much while collecting Social Security could cause your check to shrink? For some people, working in retirement feels like a win until they see their benefits reduced. The flip side? Done right, those same paychecks can actually make your Social Security grow. Let's break down how it really works and how to keep more of what you've earned. I'm Ed Rossi, Senior Advisor with Oak Harvest Financial Group. We help people just like you, near retirees and recent retirees, make smart decisions about retirement. In this video, we're breaking down what really happens to your Social Security if you keep working. Before we dive in, take a moment to subscribe to the channel. Hit like if you find this helpful, and drop your questions in the comments below. Yes, you can work and collect Social Security at the same time. Plenty of people do. But the rules aren't simple. Even after you've started benefits, you still pay taxes on wages like everybody else. And if your income climbs high enough, a portion of your Social Security itself may be taxable. Working is allowed. It just changes how much of your benefit you actually keep. If you start benefits before reaching your full retirement age, the government sets an annual earnings limit. Go over this number, and part of your Social Security check gets held back. In 2025, the limit is about $23,400. For every $2 you earn above that, $1 of your Social Security is withheld. For example, say you make $30,000 a year from work. That's $8,000 over the limit. So Social Security might withhold nearly $4,000 of your benefit that year. The year you hit full retirement age, the limit is higher, around $62,000. And the reduction is $1 for every $3 above the line until you reach your birthday month. After your birthday month, the limit disappears completely. Now here's the part most people don't realize. Those withheld benefits aren't gone forever. Once you reach full retirement age, Social Security adjusts your record and bumps up your monthly check to make up for the months you lost. It's more like a delay than a penalty. Still, it can be a cash flow problem if you're depending on that money right now. Once you reach full retirement age, the picture changes. You can work and earn as much as you want, and your Social Security benefit won't be cut. In fact, if you put off claiming until that age, your monthly check grows by about 8% each year you wait, up until age 70. And even if you've already claimed, Social Security looks at your earnings every year. If your recent work replaces a lower earnings year in your top 35 years of earnings, your benefit will be recalculated and nudged up. So in many cases, working can increase your check over time. Taxes are another wrinkle. Depending upon your total income, up to 85% of your Social Security can be counted as taxable income. For singles, once combined income goes above $34,000, most of your benefit is taxable. For married couples, that line is $44,000. It doesn't mean you hand 85% of your Social Security benefit to the IRS. It just means a big slice gets added to your total taxable income. One way to manage it is by having taxes withheld directly from your Social Security checks. So what's the takeaway? If you work while claiming early, you might see some benefits held back, but you get credited later. Once you reach full retirement age, those benefits disappear, and working can only help, not hurt. And no matter when you claim, higher earnings can replace lower years and boost your benefit over the long run. The tricky part is balancing when to claim, how much you will work, and what it means for your taxes. Everyone's situation is different. What works for your neighbor may not be the best move for you. That's why it's important to talk to a professional before making big decisions. At Oak Harvest Financial Group, we help clients create a retirement income plan that fits their life, historically coordinating Social Security, income from employment, investments, and let's not forget taxes in a way that makes sense. If you'd like to see how this applies to your retirement, give us a call to schedule a visit with myself or one of my colleagues. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more retirement education. Tap like, Share this video with a friend who's thinking about working in retirement, and leave a comment below with your questions or experiences. And when you're ready for a personalized plan, reach out to us at Oak Harvest Financial Group. Thanks for watching. I'm Ed Rossi, and we look forward to helping you protect and grow your wealth so you can enjoy your retirement with confidence. Thanks again.